in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fannin County in north-central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitewright, or 12 miles west of Bonham, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ector around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bonham around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bailey and Bonham State Park around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Trenton, Ladonia, Windham, and Pecan Gap. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.